Pag tinigil mo yung paninisi sa ibang tao, when you stop blaming circumstances or people, you start seeing what is actually within your control. Pag ganito ka na, you grow. Growth starts within you. That is where growth happens. Pero yung mga failures mo, yung mga pagkakamali mo, mga kakulangan mo, mga pangit na experiences mo, patuloy mong sinisisi sa ibang tao, sinisisi mo yung magulang mo, sinisisi mo yung kapatid mo, sinisisi mo yung guru mo, sinisisi mo yung teacher mo, sinisisi mo yung kapitbahay mo, yung kaklase mo, yung tropa mo, yung barkada mo, yung karelasyon mo, yung asawa mo, yung partner mo, yung girlfriend mo. Abay, nagkakamali ka and you're not going anywhere. Diyan mo mahahalata that you're stuck. At yung pagiging stuck na yun, ay maninisi ka ulit ng iba. Wala naman dapat na ibang sisihin doon, yung sarili mo. Bawat pagkakamali, merong leksyon na tinuturo. Every wrong turn sharpens your judgment. Hindi mo ba nahahalata when you accept things as they are, accept things as it is, and then you move on? Gumagaling ka, nire-respeto ka, at gumaganda yung buhay mo. Gumaganda yung journey mo. Responsibility is not about guilt. It is about ownership. Ownership ng mga pagkakamali mo. It's ownership. Huwag ka naman muro ng ibang tao. Life is not stated that way. You take responsibility of what happens to you. You take responsibility of what you do. You take ownership and responsibility of your whole life. It is knowing that your choices shape your life. Not luck, hindi swerte, hindi timing, hindi perfect timing, at hindi dahil sa ibang tao, not anyone else. When you finally own your choices, you also own the power to change them. Lalakas ka, gumagaling ka, umaasenso ka, nire-respeto ka, minamahal ka. Natulungan mo na yung sarili mo, nakakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao.